guys, today I'm going to review the Swagtron electric scooter. So let's just get to the unboxing. Warranty 1 year. (18 mph speed, 11 mile max range, 320 pounds capacity, foldable. There's an app for it. So that's it. Turned on, as you can see. The bell set up. Comes with a phone holder, brake, ring. So that's Swagtron Swagger 5 for you guys. I like the tires. They're nice, sturdy. It looks very durable. Kickstand. I like the fact that it has a kickstand. It has a light in the back, brake light, which turns on automatically when you push the brake. Everything works really well. I took it out for a ride. It's not super fast, but it's decent. Comes with a there's the brake, handbrake. Comes with a ring right here, bell. Also has a front light if you want to turn it on. It also comes with a phone holder, universal phone holder. I think it will hold any size, is big enough. This is how you increase the speed. This is the button to turn on, as you guys can see. So far I'm impressed with it, although they could have improved the range a little bit. It says 11 mile. I didn't test it yet on how far it will go. Probably I'll get about 8 to 9 mile, which is decent if you are going to a park or somewhere to ride within cities. So guys, that was the review for Swagtron Swagger 5. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna go for a ride.